So in the last video, you guys commented about a couple of missile restaurants. And besides that, some of you have also recommended another famous missile restaurant here in Pune. In today's video, we will travel from Baner to Tulsi Bagh to try Shri Krishna Misal. After which, we will visit Sadashiv Pet to try out Ramnath Misal. And the final destination for the day will be in Iranvane to try Bhadait Misal. Good morning guys, welcome back to our channel. I am Gavin.
And I'm Adrian.
And in today's video, we are super excited and sad at the same time because the countdown has begun in Pune and unfortunately the place where we will be going to does not have very good misal. I am outside Shri Krishna Misal and look at this place, it's reminding me of Mumbai. Well, let me show you around. Now if you head inside, it looks like a small place, but then there are these stairs that will take you upstairs, and they have these beautiful frames on the wall here. It depicts so much information about the culture in Pune, the monuments, all that is there here. Okay, and there is a board here, so it mentions self-service. Adrian has gone upstairs, so they have just opened up. It's around 7:30 and we are the first customers. And yes, this is where you have to come and this is where you need to pay. So we have taken 2 misals, and apart from that we have taken buttermilk as well. And guess what, we already have that here on our table. We just moved from this table to this one here, and if you're wondering why there is only seating on one side, I was wondering the same thing as well. Actually the entire place is like that, and we have some lovely natural light coming in from the window. Okay, now let me show you the misal. This here is the rasa, striking red, beautiful rasa. And I see here they have given shave. So usually most of the places give farsa. And what's there inside here? Okay, so there is like onion and coriander. And with this one, they have given us sliced bread, and this is the charge here. And besides that, we have also taken shira, so I'll get back to that later. And Adrian says something. Poha, okay, yes. So I did not dig in deeper. There is poha as well. Now I like this drenched with the rasa, and it is so hot. And without a doubt, I'm going to pour everything because I know eventually I'll end up having the entire thing. Okay, and now let's squeeze a bit of lime. So this is one of those places which focuses on the food, I guess, because it's a no nonsense place, simple place. But yes, I see here people have come here early morning to have the misal, and it already looks very different. I don't see farsan in the misal, and there is some bhaji in the rasa. I'm so curious to try this. Bread is nice, soft, fresh. It's a good sign. Okay, now this is the moment of truth. Look at this, the vapor. It is very hot, guys. It was given very fresh to us. So I would describe this misal as we've gone for the medium one. Okay, so this one, it's a bit on the spicy side, and at the same time I'm getting some little bit of sweetness as well. Something very, very different. But what's good is that the shave in the misal is very crispy also. We've gone for the chas here as well. Chas is very nice, plain, simple, got a nice flavor. But if you're someone who would like to get more salt in this, you can definitely do so. But I don't want anything salty, so this is okay for me. This is superb. I can taste all the lovely flavors of the ghee. It might look plain and simple. Yes, it's got plain and simple flavors, but the richness coming out of the ghee, the texture, as you take a bite, The ghee just oozes out from every bite. Uh, it was such a disappointment, guys, to be honest. Very few instances, I mean, there have been very few instances where we've been disappointed, and especially disappointed with the misal here in Pune. I don't know what was wrong. The misal was sweet and spicy, and there was no matki, and I started questioning myself if we went to the right Shri Krishna misal. Did we go to the right one? I don't know, but there were people that were coming in. Anyway, so now we are walking to our second stop. Let's go there and check out the misal. After walking for like around 1.5 kilometers, we have made it here to this place, and this was also recommended by you guys. When I entered here, I was wondering where is the place to sit, and on my right I could see here some lovely bhajias, and this is the section here. This is the board here, so mostly Kolhapuri misal is served. And I asked this gentleman where to sit, and he told me that there's stairs going upstairs. And as I was walking through, I realized that one guy just went through this. So this thing opens and they have space downstairs. I guess they store something. All right, let's go here. You have to be very careful. These are some spiral stairs, and here you need to mind your head. Wow, what a place. Adrian looks like she is in somebody's attic sitting here. Look at this, guys. You can hear the traffic this side, and that is how the place is. It is so small. Let me go in one corner. Yeah, that's how it looks. I tried the rasa, and thankfully this one tastes good. Adrian tasted this and said that it tastes good. So yes, our viewer who recommended this, thank you so much, because I would certainly not suggest you guys to visit Shri Krishna. It was very sweet and it was totally disappointing. I don't know if you like sweet misal, but I don't. Okay, now let's start with this. Adrian mentioned that inside this one there is potato, so that's good. And here also, if you see, they have given shave. So you don't, we haven't seen farsan in both the misal so far. And this is hot. This is good. This is what I was looking for. And yes, impressive. They've given pav, so no sliced bread. Very good recommendation. Thank you so much, whoever recommended this one. And from here, we are going to go a bit far away to our third and final destination. So stay tuned and keep watching. I had gone for the medium and Adrian had gone for the light. She found that one spicy, but I am okay with that. And yes, coming back to the tea is very good, guys. So this feels so good because we woke up early in the morning to come and have the misal, and the first place was I can't stop talking about it. Anyway, this place has made up for it. Let's see what the third one has to offer. Sometimes the toughest roads lead you to one of the most beautiful places you can ever see. And this is what we have seen right now. This is a beautiful, I don't know how clean the water is, but it looks nice. Second place, again, as I mentioned earlier, was very good. Even the tea was great. Everything was good about the place. It's just that the place is very small. But yes, sometimes such places offer very good food, and this was one of those places. We were passing by the road and we have never traveled by Pune Metro. So why not give it a shot, because we have few days remaining here. Adrian is there at the ticket counter. We are just going to travel one stop. It's called Nal Stop. I was pronouncing it Nal Stop. I'm so sorry. And yes, it's just one stop. And let's see what the metro looks like. I have traveled so many times by Dubai Metro, Mumbai Metro. First time traveling by Pune Metro, and this is so exciting. And yes, we got this ticket. It's only 10 rupees. We have to scan the ticket for the gates to open. Platform, okay. Here it says platform. Taking the stairs because we want to lose some weight. 2 missiles down, third one to go. So yes. And I can already hear the metro. We are so excited for some reason. It's like we're going to take a flight to go to an exotic destination for a vacation. But yes, oh,
Wow.
this looks nice. Beautiful sunshine behind me, nice view.
Which
And
way do we go?
look at this. Yeah, so beautiful platform, nice and clean. We are expecting the train to come from that side. And yes, behind me somewhere, that side is Null Stop. The board here tells us how many minutes, and there's this lovely vintage looking clock. Oh yes, and here comes a metro. Woohoo! We're going to travel one stop. First time guys, Pune Metro. Adrian, do we go ahead? Yeah, let's go ahead. I hope there is no different kinds of sections. No, it doesn't look like. So these lines mention that it's for them to go out, and here we go. We have entered the metro. Look at this. Yeah, so this is the one where we are going. Null Stop. And yes, we have made it to our destination.
Wow.
In barely a minute, we have reached the next stop. Now we will go down and check out what's there around. We have to walk back, but anyway, 20 rupees, it was totally worth it. Pune Metro is off the bucket list. Away from the hustle and bustle of the roads, we've come inside in the more quieter lanes. And look at these two little beauties here. I wish I could take this guy home. And we have finally made it. It was tiring, but yes, we made it. And this is going to be our last and final destination of the day. Unlike the other two missiles, this one has farsan in it. And looks like they have even given shave. No, this is shave, and this one it's called bhujia if I remember. Anyway, we have the onion, and let's put some lime. And while I make this, I want to highlight that this is a huge place. If you look behind me there, Adrian, if you can show, there are so many tables right there. And the other thing what I noticed is that this place is very neat and clean, very organized, and as soon as I entered this place I could get some really nice fragrance of masala. Alright, let's do this. Pav, fresh, soft, like it. And let's pour the rasa. This color is my weakness. I love this red color, this red gravy. Okay, let me taste it without the pav. Whoa. Guys, even this one is great. So whoever has recommended this, I'll put the comment here. The missile is very nice. This one and Ramnath, we loved both of it. The rasa has spicy flavor, but the sev and all is all crispy, and it's a bit different from the Ramnath misal. The Ramnath was a little more spicy. That was Kolhapuri misal. I don't know what this one is, but in this one, what I like is they have given the matki, which was missing there. All in all, very good misal. And if I have to rate, okay, one of our subscribers told us that I should rate the food that we eat. So I'm going to do that. First of all, Sri Krishna Misal. I'm so sorry, but I will not go there again. And if you have to ask me for my rating, I would say 4 out of 10. Second one, Ramnath Misal, is definitely you can say 10 out of 10 or 9.8 out of 10. And this one is very close. It's not very far. The margin is very close. I like Ramnath a little more than this one, or I don't know. I've eaten a lot of misal today, so I don't know if I'm judging it the right way. But this one has a unique taste. So yes, but I still prefer Ramnath. I would say this one is a close 9.5 out of 10. And while we speak, we have the tea here as well. So let me review this for you. Tea is good also, a little bit sweeter than what I would expect, but that's fine. Again, the tea at Ramnath I think beats this tea. So guys, all in all, again 9.5 out of 10, and tea, this will be 9.8, and that will be 9.9 out of 10, or maybe 10 out of 10. The tea there was excellent. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video, and I think Adrian, this is going to be our last misal trip. I feel so emotional looking at this one because we are no longer going to get misal. I don't know, I hope I can make it to Pune in the next 3 to 4 months, because a lot of you have supported us in all these months, and of course I want to visit again and again to show you more places, and if that's possible I'll definitely do that. So until the next video, take care, stay safe and stay positive.